This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Raise the bonnet slightly, lift the safety catch lever, then fully open the bonnet. Unclip the prop from the engine compartment bulkhead and engage the end with the bonnet hinge bracket. The air filter housing is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Unclip the coolant hose from the side of the engine cover. Grasp the cover and gently pull it upwards from its mountings. Slide out the yellow locking catch and disconnect the wiring plug from the airflow meter. Unclip the wiring loom. Slacken the air hose clamp and undo the bolt securing the upper air inlet hose to the front body panel. Pull the hose from the air duct. Undo the retaining Torx screws and lift away the filter cover. Remove the old filter element. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing. Press the new filter element into place with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the air filter cover and securely tighten the retaining screws. Reconnect the air hose to the duct and tighten the clamp. Secure the air hose to the front body panel with the bolt. Reconnect the wiring plug, press down the locking catch and clip the wiring loom into place. Locate the cover over its mountings and press it down firmly. Clip the coolant hose into place. Disengage the prop from the bracket and clip it into place on the bulkhead. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.